How to install HyperOS themes through theme backup file.
First of all, you need to download theme backup file from our website. Download this backup file and save it to download folder. Now you have to go to Settings. Then About Phone. Then you need to select Backup and Restore. Then tap on Mobile Device. Now enter your phone password. And now, deselect all the options here. And click on Other System App Data. You can see how you can do this. Now you have to find Themes app and select it, and click on Backup. Now go back to home screen. Now you have to open File Manager app. You can use any file manager. I'm using here Default File Manager. First of all, you have to find Downloaded File. You can use Sort by Date feature to easily find the new file. You can see that I am also facing problem with finding the file. Finally, I found the file. You have to copy this file. To the MUI backup, all backup. And now you have to select most recent backup that we have just created. You can see the second one is the newest file. Now you have to paste this file and click on Replace. That's it. Now again go to Settings. Then About Phone. Then again go to Backup and Restore. Then select Mobile Device and enter your phone password. Then go to Restore and select most recent backup that we have just created. And select all the file and click on Restore. In few seconds it will be restored. Now again click on Finish and go to Themes app. And now you can see theme is successfully installed. Now you can apply theme without any error by clicking on Apply button. This theme will be applied to your phone. Now you can see theme is working fine. Thank you for watching this video.